I found that left out of it. So that is the third needle bearing that has to be put back into it, which unfortunately is right at the back of this clutch. Right, unfortunately we put all the gearbox back together. Well, I put all the gearbox back together. I will leave my trusty steed out of this. All back in the car, all filled up with oil. And as I move round to this department, I found that left out of it. So that is the third needle bearing that has to be put back into it, which unfortunately is right at the back of this clutch. So the gearbox has come out and I'm now about to demonstrate how you strip this down. There you go, sir. I'm not pulling the whole thing out. I'm going to do it in situ. So here's one of the rollers. Yeah. This is not going to be easy to get back in. It's going to be a bastard. Second roller bearing. I don't think I can pull this one. No, I think this has to come out. So the second plug back, pull this out just to gain more access to it.
That's where it should go.
No.
Oh.
Not. Right there. It's there. Press stop on.
Yeah.
Cool. Right, so I'm kind of second guessing myself, but it turns out there's 4 needle bearings in there. So this one runs like that, and this is the bit where I really struggle.
So there's one at the back.
Yeah, so
that
there's one.
That's 2
behind there.
Yeah, that one.
One on top. So basically nothing runs on metal.
Right.
Then it runs on here.
Yeah. On the bearing, that's the second one.
Yes. Now, I'm fucking struggle to get this on there. You know why? Because of this.
Dropped a bit.
Yeah, I might have to put this on first, then put the clutches on.
Right. Got them all out?
Yeah.
Got them all? Right.
So, yep, got it. So, we've got that on there. Okay. That's correct. Now, first clutch. Fiddly little things to get, aren't they?
Yeah, when you're doing it horizontal.
Cool. Yeah, of course, this is a hell of a lot easier when it's off the car, and next time I will definitely take it off the car. Next time. Shouldn't even say next time, should I? Hopefully there'll never be a next time. It'll probably be the next go of the car.
20 minutes?
Yeah, 25 minutes. Now just a note, I have checked all these on a flat table to make sure these ones are all flat as opposed to the warped ones I took out. And although it looks like a massive scarring, there's absolutely no marking on that at all. I can't even pick it up with my nail. Could have had it polished, but I'm not going to.
It's more like a rub in it.
Yeah. Rubber dub. Final plate. And these can go around in any kind of orientation.
Remember that gearbox is on there.
Oh, I understand, I know. I was pushing on it then, I just didn't realise it might fall off.
I did see that.
Right, so that's on. You've got your movement there for clutch disengagement. Same for that one, the big one.
Yeah.
Right. Oh no, don't tell me I have to take this one out as well. Hopefully not, hopefully not. I better do. Yep. Possibly got to take these out. Let me try and line them up. Because these grooves have to fit, obviously, into the grooves of the first one. But once again, gravity is pulling them downwards, so I'm going to have to take that one out as well. What a pain. Although I'm glad we found that.
Let's stop this now and
Yeah.
do.
Nice.
Yeah.
So that's it all complete. Final bearing where it actually should be. And put the case back on. And hopefully this time it can actually stay in the car. It's always a result.
What, more than 12 hours?
Yeah. It's a first for me. And they're clicking on. That can't possibly be out too far. Oh, it looks fine. God, these are a swine to do if they're not on the bench.
Mallet.
Yeah. There we go. It's going.
And I'll just come out the other side.
Might be. I'll let you know on the next rotation. What the fuck is going on there? That's it. All in. That's it. Just enough to be able to see this thing. I thought it was going to be all day spinning that, man. Always make sure that these go into their little grooves, because that is basically what holds this in place. Let me just spin it round.
Watch it on that. Watch it on the jack.
That's about it. In place. I'd rather have that butted up to that. I'm not happy with that. Not with that at all. Give me a minute.
I want that this much. It's just so much easier on the bench. Never again. Not like this. There.
That's better. See how it's butted up against the edge?
Yeah.
That's how it should be. Now, I'm nearly happy. And that'll do. We'll get the lid back on and lift it back into the car again.